So, West Bengal Legislative Council. West Bengal Legislative Council. Why this is in news? This is presented by me, Saurabh Chaudhary. Now, why this is in the news? West Bengal Legislative Council. Recently, West Bengal government passed the Legislative Council in the State Assembly with 196 votes in the Legislative Council. Now, what will be the procedure for the constitutional provision for the Legislative Council? Now, as per the Article 168, empowers the Legislative Assembly to create or abolish the legislative councils of the state through the two-third majority in the State Assembly. After passing in the State Assembly, it goes to the Parliament, and then the Parliament under the Article 169, they have the power to create or abolish the Legislative Council of a state, which is passing through simple majority in the Parliament. Now, present Legislative Council's status in India. Presently, 6 states have the Legislative Councils like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. How the Legislative Council is formed? The Legislative Council forms by the member of the councils either nominated by the governor or indirectly elected. Math be like 1/3 member are elected by the Legislative Assembly, 1/3 member elected by the local bodies like municipality, 1/12 are elected by graduates, 1/12 members are elected by teachers, 1/6 member are elected by the or nominated by the governor. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/6. So this will be the math of the Legislative Council. Eligibility criteria: Indian citizen must be and 30 years at least age. They are eligible for the Legislative Council. Now, next is that the historical background of the Legislative Council in the West Bengal. The Legislative Council in West Bengal exists till 1969. During the 1969 elections, the United Front proposes to abolish the Legislative Council, and in the year 1969 March, the Legislative Council was abolished in the West Bengal, and in 2020 the resolution passed again. So, what is the role of the Legislative Council? Why is this important? Basically, Legislative Council cannot discuss on the finance bill. They cannot also break the government. Though the chairman and the deputy chairman enjoy the cabinet ministry status, important for the reasons that those who might not be cut out for the elections are able to contribute to the legislative process and keep an eye on the hasty decisions taken by the Legislative Assembly. These are the role of the Legislative Council. Now there are some criticism. What are the criticism? The Legislative Council have criticized for unnecessary and unrepresentative of the people. They are considered a burden on the budget and cause delay in passing the legislations. So, few other states like Maharashtra government promises in the 2018 election campaign for the Legislative Council. Andhra Pradesh re-established in the year 2007. First established in 1958, abolished in 1985, de-established 2007. Assam also proposes in 2010, passed the resolution for the Legislative Council, and Rajasthan passed in 2012. Though they are still pending in the Parliament. So the Parliament's decision is the final to pass the legislative council procedure. So West Bengal government re-established in the year 2020, passed the resolution, and now it is going to the parliament. Then president give assent. If this passed in the parliament by simple majority, then president give the assent for the establishment of the legislative council. That's all about the legislative councils and what is the role of the legislative councils, constitutional provision of the legislative councils, and all. Thank you.